So good morning guys, this is a small tutorial how to register for CBSE's webinars for teachers. Let's go to the cbse.gov.in website and click on the main website. Okay, so once we reached the main website, we can see this interface where going down little we can see the tab training. Under the training tab, here there is something called register for training. Click on that and we will get into a new page like this. After reaching this page, we have to go to this blue line, this hyperlink. Click here to register for online session. Once we clicked, here we go for register for free online session, and then it will load a page which shows all the online sessions available for us right now. So in that you can see most of the case seats are full, but wherever it is free, register. For example, Hindi Bhasha mein Lekhan, that is registered. Same way, free areas are there. See, joyful mathematics, then various topics, importance of gratitude, storytelling in classroom. So select whatever topic you would like. For example, importance of gratitude. Click on register, and then once it opens, here we can see login for school affiliated CBSE multiple participants. That's for schools only. If you want to do individual, click on what? New registration for individual participants. Suppose you already registered before, you want to add more, you can click login for existing individual participants. So here I'm showing for new. Click on new and then kindly fill in all your details here. Okay, all the details. The details should be like all the address, state, pin code, everything except this telephone number which is in yellow here. Rest all are mandatory details. All right, after you submit the details, you make sure that the data once submitted cannot be changed. So you have to make sure that the user ID, password and all set properly. So in this details you must have noticed user ID and password. You have to give your own user ID and password. Sometimes the user ID might be used and it will be asking you to redo this. So you have to redo the user ID and password and submit the details. That's it. So once you submit the details, you will get into the registration page, and later on you can get your registration link in your email address. Clicking that link, you can take in the training program. If you want to find out at the end of registration, so you can find registration receipt also, which will be generated like this, so where the details will be given for you. Thank you.